Good day, traders. How you doing today? Running late again today. It's 12:35, lunchtime. So let's check this out here. We had big runs. They chopped people up for like 2 weeks now in a small range, not going anywhere. And then today they just run it down. But it doesn't matter if they run it down or run it up. There's usually always a divergence setup, like there is right here. Right from there to there. Yeah, I drew it too far. Let's straighten that up over here. Something like that. You would have sold it right there. Stop was very small, like 18 points, and it went down like 190 to the bottom. And on the way, we had a higher close, sell it on the opening of this candle, and down it goes. And then we had a hook down on this one. As soon as it opened up on the next candle down here, you would sell it. I know, it seems crazy, but it always seems to work. And it went down 39 points. So there's your three setups. We have the divergence, down she went. We have the higher close, and down she went. And we have the hook down, and down she went. All three of them won. All three of them would have hit their first target based on the stop, which the stop loss for the take profit is based on the amount of the stop loss. And it all worked out. And then there was another trade down here, I guess. It's right here. Strike through those right to there. Okay, you can definitely do that. Okay, and you would have got long right in here. Right on the opening. Stop at the swing low was 34 points. Did it go up 34 points? Went up 48 points. You would have got your 1-to-1 win-loss ratio on this trade as well. Let's move on now to the S&P 500. Oh yeah, very, very identical chart here. Except, well, this is kind of a tricky divergence, very tricky one to see, but it's definitely there. So from right here to right here. Okay. Then we have another one, and we have to go like inside. Hold on. I think it's from here. Where the hell is it? Yeah, it's from there. Okay, and we gotta drag it. Yeah, right there. You see that now? It's kind of tricky, but that's the divergence right here. Because there's no little blue doodah right here to measure it from. I know a lot of yous would go, I ain't gonna try and learn and find that setup because we don't have a blue doodah to line it up. So that's why I'm showing you this. I would rarely use it myself too, but you can still find the divergence just how I drew it out right here. And yeah, I know it's crazy. Oh, it's this one. That would be it, see? One going up, or one going down, one going up. And because it's hidden, even though it's pointing up, it's not going to go up, it's going to come down. The price is going to come down, okay? Very tricky one to find. So that's things that I've just looked at over the years and discovered myself. You know, you don't have to learn it, but I'm just showing you the setup and how it works. Along with the level divergence, I've showed you that as well. That's two things of finding divergence that, well, people won't look for it. They don't know it because it's in my head. It's just something that a trader has in his head. You know what I mean? But you can see how I found the divergence because there isn't a little blue doodah here. The pullback right here isn't, you know, big enough, deep enough. How do you say? I don't know. But anyway, it would have worked if you would have sold after this higher close. You can look at it that way. It went down. It went down. Here's another higher close. Right here. Here's the hook down. It's the same as the Nasdaq. It's the same thing. There's the hook down. There's the pullback, and there's the divergence. Now, if I go back to the Nasdaq, those exact three candles, I bet. Well, maybe not the exact. Hold on. This one is 1535 and this one is 1630. So let's look. 1535. Yeah, right there. 1535 and 1630, right? Yeah, see? They're in the exact same time spot on two different in two different markets because, as you know, they follow each other very closely for some reason. Now, here's the pound dollar, and it doesn't look pretty. No. It's very choppy, very erratic. I don't even see the divergence. I don't know. I'm not even going to look for anything on there. It's just a mess. Probably the euro too. Here's the euro. Oh, the euro isn't quite as bad. Oh, geez. Okay. We have a setup right here. This one going up. This one going down, something like that. It's a mess also. Went up 30 points, 30 pips to the top. Okay. Let's look at the pound yen. Oh, look at that big pin bar right here. Wowzers. It's not good. It's not good, ladies and gentlemen. But I guess it's divergent if you really want to look at it, right? And you would have got in way up here, would have you? What if you wanted to buy it way up here with this big, huge stop? I don't know. Went up 18 pips on the pound yen. Pound yen was a joke. It was not good. Pound yen. Euro yen. Well, it's not good either. Could look for some, lower close, buy it, up it goes. This one right here is a hookup. Right here, okay. We have the one that fakes people to sell it right in here. They took it down some more to here. And then they bought it back up and got you up here. That's what they do. It's a hookup. So somewhere in here, you would have waited for a pullback right here and bought it. And if you did that, well, it only went up 12 pips. It's a joke. The euro yen is a joke today. Okay, so let's look at crude oil. What did it do? It looks like it did some nice divergence setups. Double tops right there. Wow, no. No, there's no trade there. Wow, it's a mess. It's a mess. Everything's a damn mess today. Okay, we have higher highs over here and something like this, I think. Oh, that goes way over here like this. Okay, that lines up there. That lines up there, something close enough. And as you can see, it's pointing down the line that you'd put on the chart, which means the price is going to come down. And that's exactly what it did. And it came down about 50 points on oil. And we came in, put in a lower low. Actually, there's divergence here, and it's a loser, I think. Trying to find the divergence, ladies and gentlemen. Somewhere in here like this. Didn't go very far, as you can see, so that was a loser. And then we had hidden divergence. Like this. And like this. We would have sold right in here. Right here on the opening of this candle, we would have sold it. There's the divergence above it. It went down 47 points, and our stop was at the swing high. It was only 24 points. So we would have got our 1-to-1 on this trade right here. And this looks divergent, you know, a low, a retracement, and a lower low. But it's not, because this one's lower than this one. So there's no divergence to buy it in here. But you could, you know, it just missed it by, you know, just a little tad, a little tidbit right here. You know, it should be just a little bit higher. So you could still consider it like divergence, and as soon as everything's set up, like right in here, the 5 crossed up, you know, whatever, you could have bought it somewhere in here or somewhere up here in a pullback, and up it went. So it would have worked out if you know what to look for. If you, even though sometimes you'll miss the criteria down here in the OSMA, everything else will play out for you on the chart. You just got to look for it on the chart. You know, you got to go through the criteria, and it would have been a winner for you. Okay, and then the last chart is gold. What did it do today? It's craziness again. 260 points from the top to this bottom here. And in here, something is like 190 points from here to up here. Now, was it? Oh, yeah, there it is. I finally found it. Sorry about that. Gonna take it from the middle of this here, and from here to here, see? There it is. One's going up, one's going down. And on the OSMA, you see the line you would have drawn, it's pointing up, because it's based on lower lows, right? Lower lows. So you would have drew it pointing up the line, which means the price is going to go up. And that would have been a very successful trade. 190 points from the entry point to the top. you would have done well on that one. And that's it for today. Sorry the video's short. I slept in today. I haven't been sleeping, lady. I haven't been sleeping very good lately. I have problems with my leg. It's like I have an open wound on my leg, and it's taking forever to heal up because I'm a fucking diabetic. That's why. This is why I'm doing the video late today. I'm so sorry. I should be okay in another 3 to 7 days. I'll be able to sleep when I'm supposed to sleep. At night, I'm up all night. What time was I still up last night? I'm trying to think. I think it was 5:30. Yeah, 5:30. So I just woke up like about half an hour ago or 20 minutes ago. Sorry about that. But if you like the show, thank you for coming out and listening and watching, and hopefully you'll come back to tomorrow. It's the markets are very difficult. You know, this election that's coming and everything, it's just it's more crazy than normal. And even my, super awesome divergence, the setups are not there because the market is so erratic and it's doing weird things that I've never seen, actually. There's moves and shit going on that I have not seen. And I've been staring at this since 2011, these charts, that's when I really started looking for divergent setups. It's been that long, it's just crazy, erratic shit going on. And like you can see it on the charts, it's like they're coming after you, They love to put buy fakes and sell fakes and yeah, and they stop hunt. That's what they do. That's what this market's all about. It's one big mother effing stop hunt. So in order to do the stop hunts, they first must do the what? The buy fakes and the sell fakes. And that's what we're seeing on our chart lately is real ugliness. But anyway, it is what it is, right? Okay. Thanks for listening. Thanks for watching. Please sign up to the channel if you haven't done so. And that's it. Good luck and good trading.